Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me in the garage today. We just got a special delivery here for the GMC Sierra 1500. This is my 2024. I've only had this a few months. I've been looking for like a mounting solution for my phone inside of the cab, and I found this one. This was from a company called BulletPoint. I bought this. It just was delivered today, so I want to show you guys how this works. I want to do kind of an unboxing, go through it, install it, see how it works on my phone, and just kind of give you some thoughts and review on this. Okay, so here's the interior of the truck. This is a redesigned dash area for, I think it started in late 2022, 23 is kind of when it predominantly came out. This is a 2024. You can see it has this nice screen that goes across the dash here. It's got a nice digital display here. It's got some buttons here, the climate controls down here, a brake controller, a start button, kind of like a home button, and then kind of volume control. There's this spot right here, and I kind of thought there would be a good solution to mount the phone there. I could, like in my my Yukon that I had, I put like a mount right here, and it kind of like held it with a MagSafe, but something right there would get in the way of this vent blowing, and then also the shifter would be a problem. So because mine has the like a jump seat here instead of the console. And so I found this solution from BulletPoint. Let me show you how this works and where it fits here on the dash. So we've got a few boxes here. This is the mounting arm, this is the MagSafe mount, and then this is, I think, is the dash part here. So let me show you what this includes. All right, so what this is this is a mount. Looks like there's probably some adhesive there. It goes in this area behind the screen. So this area right behind the screen here, we'll have to see exactly how it mounts. I'm not sure. I thought it just maybe fit in there and then tighten down, but so it's not like super tight right now. But it has these different holes in here. It has different mounting points, so you can mount the phone arm in different areas. There's other different types of accessories. There's like GoPro mounts and things you can mount onto this thing. So I thought it had a lot of cool versatility to it. And I like that it uses this area because this is kind of really not useful space. It's just kind of just empty space. And I thought it'd be cool to have the phone just kind of like right there. And this kind of really puts it in that position. So I'm just getting everything out, kind of unboxed. So here's the mounting arm. So this little ball mount here mounts onto this top part here. And then I just put these clamps onto the center post. And then I elected to choose the MagSafe mount because I have a MagSafe like ring on the back of my case. So this is basically going to mount on like that. Now how this mounts into this area here, you just remove this rubber mat here, and you can see how there's 4 screws. You just take those out, and then we use those same screw holes, and it provides actually a longer screws for that to kind of go into here. So what we'll do is we'll take off the top of these, we remove that, and then we're able to use those new screws to mount this down into those factory holes. So really pretty innovative that it uses those same factory holes. We don't have to drill new holes. We're not going to ruin anything. Completely reversible, and then it does have an adhesive backing to it that's going to help hold it into place. So what I did is I kind of test fit this to see where I wanted this mount to go, because the mount basically has some nuts under here that you secure it, but it can be moved anywhere along this grid, so I can move it kind of back and forth there. I wanted it about right there, and then I can do some fine-tune adjustments with loosening up these mounts here to get the phone exactly where I want it. So you have a lot of versatility. So now I just need to mount this back down, put the screws back in the top of this to mount this back to the base, and I'll be able to test it out. The screws are screwed back in, it's all mounted up, and then I can just adjust the angle of this. I can just loosen these up. This loosens the articulation of this, and then this one adjusts kind of like the height and the rotation of that, so that you really get your phone exactly where you want it, which is really cool. And let me just kind of try it right there. That's a great spot right there. That's exactly where I want the phone, and I can put it there. I can adjust it when I need to. I can even adjust, I can loosen up these and then just kind of slide this along the track if I need to move it over a little bit. I've got space to mount other accessories as well. There's other cool accessories that BulletPoint has that it can mount on here as well. So this is pretty cool. I'm impressed with how well this is built. It should be good. It should be well built for the price. This was almost $90 I'll leave a link to it on Amazon. That's where I got it. But I'm impressed with how this looks, how it works. It's really sturdy. It's in there really tight. It even came with some extras, like it came with the wrench, it came with the screwdriver, an Allen wrench, it came with this, looks like a BulletPoint bottle opener, which is kind of cool. Some extra screws. It has the MagSafe rings. You want to put those on the back of your case. So all this stuff is kind of extra stuff. I'm just going to keep it in my glove box here. If I need to adjust it, I have the tools right there. So I just want to give you kind of a driver's point of view here of where this kind of puts my phone. Actually, that's kind of like the perfect position. I can still see, like, if I put it in reverse here, I can still see my, a little bit of the screen's blocked there from the phone for the reverse camera. But this is like the perfect place to like have my phone. I can just hook my charging cord up. I like that it's not a MagSafe charging cord, because on my phone, I just have a ring on the back of my case, because MagSafe doesn't work through I have like my credit cards in the back of my phone here, and so if I want to charge it, I just will plug in, you know, a direct cable right here. If I don't need to charge it, it just sits there. It's a good position there, and it's easy to move. I can just adjust it with the knobs if I want to move it a little bit. I can move this ball mount different areas, different positions if I want to. So it's not blocking the vent, it's not blocking my ability to pull down the, you know, the shift lever, so everything's really good. This is a perfect spot for it. All right, guys, so that's the BulletPoint phone mounting system that I got in the truck here. I'm really impressed with it. It's really nice, it's sturdy, works really well, the clamps clamp really well. And the nice thing too is it's made specifically for this truck, that specific screen, that opening at the top. If you go to their website, bulletpoint.com, you're able to like put in like what your make, model, year, the screen that you have, the opening, and you're able to see exactly what their options are. So I like that fact that it's like custom made for that specific area, and that it's like it's flexible in the space that I can use it for. So I can use it for other mounts, other things. You can mount another phone mount for the passenger side even if you wanted to. So it's got a lot of cool options, guys. Anyway, see the link down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.